In this video, I will show you how to check and replace the heating element unit in an LG electric dryer. This video will start with the dryer taken apart. If you don't know how to take the dryer apart, click on the link on the right corner of this frame to go to the video that will show you how to take the dryer apart. Then come back to this video. If you know how to take the dryer apart, just continue watching this video. To be able to check the resistance of the heating elements, you will need to have a multimeter and know how to use it. Set your multimeter on the scale to read ohms. When you turn the multimeter on, it should be reading, like in this case, OL. When the two terminals are not touching each other, the multimeter should be reading OL. When the two terminals are touching each other, the multimeter should be reading close to 0 ohms. If your multimeter is doing that, then you know your multimeter is ready to be used. Take a picture with your cell phone of the location of these 3 wires for reference in case you need it later. And disconnect the wires from the heating element. Now you need to take a reading between these terminals, the top one and this one. The reading should be about 20 ohms. Take a reading between these two terminals. The reading should be about 20 ohms. And take a reading between these two terminals. The reading should be about 40 ohms. If any of the readings is OL, meaning open line, the heating element is bad and you will need to replace it. Now let me show you how to remove and replace the heating element. Unhook the wires from these holders. Always take pictures with your cell phone of the location of the wires in case you need to use it later to connect the wires to the proper terminals. Disconnect this red wire. And disconnect the blue and the yellow wires from the heating element. Remove these 2 screws. Grab the heating element and lift it and take it right out. When you're installing the new heating element, you have to hook it up on this tab and on this tab over here, okay? Grab the new heating element unit, hook it up here, and make sure that you hook it up here. Screw in the 2 holding screws. Connect the red wire to the thermostat. Connect the blue and yellow wires to the heating element. The blue wire goes first, right over here. And then the yellow wire goes here. Next, you need to put the wires on the wire holders so they won't be dangling around. Now all you have to do is put the dryer back together and try it out to see how it works. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.